Hey everyone, welcome back, ready to take your business to the next level. Today, we're looking at 3 powerful Stripe tools that help you scale. First, imagine you want to run a marketplace. You need to pay many sellers. This is where Stripe Connect shines. It handles all the complex payments automatically. You can find it in your Stripe dashboard under the Connect section. Next, let's talk about Stripe Tax. Calculating sales tax is complicated. Stripe Tax automates this. It figures out the correct tax rate for every customer, anywhere you sell. You can turn this on in the tax settings to stay compliant. Finally, for those thinking big, Stripe Atlas helps you form a proper US company. It guides you through the legal steps and sets up your business bank account. Using these tools helps you automate complex tasks, so you can focus on growing your business. If this gave you big ideas, hit that like button and subscribe for more. See you next time.